Hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tonya. Today we're going to be taking a Dollar Tree placemat and turning it into a charming farmhouse wall art. First, I want you to take a look at the picture I have hanging on the back wall. This is one I'm repurposing that I've taken black chalk paint and painted over the glass and took white chalk paint and painted the outside edge of the frame. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the E6000 glue to attach the placemat to the glass. Once you have your placemat placed onto the glass, you're going to want to take some large rope and attach it around the edges of the placemat. I'm going to go ahead and use the tacky glue and apply a little bit to each of the ends that I have cut, and this will keep it from fraying. I'm going to go ahead and use my glue gun to glue these on because I am attaching it to the very edge of the placemat. Now once I attached rope to all four sides of the placemat, I went ahead and took some more of my black chalk paint and just touched up all the black around the outside edges of the rope. I did this just to give it depth and darkness to make the white of the frame stand out. Now I'm going to take some steel wool that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and this is a great technique to just do a dragging and rubbing effect with paint along the white, and it will make it look like scratches in the wood. Isn't this a charming farmhouse wall art with a repurposed frame and a Dollar Tree placemat? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you for watching Love to Create by Tonya. I'll see you next time.